Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're going to practice real life English conversations that you can use every day. Let's listen, repeat, and improve your speaking skills together. Let's start. Hang out tonight. Are you free tonight? I think so. Let's hung out. Okay. Need help. Can you come over for a second? Sure. What is it? I need your help. Okay. Where to eat? Where should we eat? You choose. How about the burger place? Sure. Price check. How much is this? $15. Okay, I'll take it. Here you are. Long time no see. Long time no see. Yes, it's been ages. You look great. Thanks, you too. Great job. You just practiced real English conversations used in daily life. Try repeating them out loud to improve your speaking fluency. See you in the next episode.